In this demonstration, I'll describe how to use the Pronation Supination tool within the Design tab for modifying foot orthotics. So here we have the foot and the supination tool up. If we want to eliminate this measurements box, we can go to this upward arrow button, left click it, and it will disappear and give us more room to work within. So then one of the first things we want to do is we want to right click and move the mouse toward ourselves, and that will zoom out the foot so we can see it a little bit better. Then we want to just use our mouse to better position the image of the foot so we can see it. One of the first things we need to do is to get this aligned so that we can see it better. So left click and tip the foot up so that the Achilles tendon is perfectly straight up and down. And there's a couple of different moves we need to do, but the first one is get the forefoot positioned just over the heel. And again, do this by tipping it, by left clicking, and get it just so that the forefoot is just over the heel. Then move the cursor over the top of the foot and get the Achilles tendon so that it's perfectly straight up and down and vertical. And this is more of a visual thing. Don't worry so much about the forefoot at this point, but get the Achilles tendon, and you may have to just kind of move back just a little bit so that it's perfectly straight up and down. Again, we don't want to make this adjustment with the Achilles tendon tipped off one way or the other. So use the grid pattern in the background so that the Achilles tendon is perfectly straight up and down. All right. So now it looks like the first metatarsal head is a little lower than the fifth. So now use your Pronation Supination tool just to get this so that it's squared up. Okay, so we want it so that it's perpendicular, so that the metatarsal heads are perpendicular to the Achilles tendon. That's our major objective here. Get these two perpendicular to the Achilles tendon. Okay, once we've achieved that, we can move on to the remove tool or remove material tool.